ABSS MYOB version upgrade. After purchase MYOB version upgrade, you can download the latest programs such as Premier Plus version 22.3 from download link provided by Lobster Limited. When the download is complete, choose Show in Folder. Right-click the zip file, choose Extract All. Choose Extract. Right-click ABSS Setup Installer and choose Run as Administrator. And follow the steps to complete the installation. When you finish the installation, you can see the new version MYOB icon with purple color shows on your desktop. We run it now and open our old version company file. A message will pop up, unable to open file and request us to upgrade now. Click Yes and go to next step. Choose the location where you would like to save the company file after upgrade. Please be reminded that if the new version company file is saved in the same location with the same name, the old company will be replaced. We suggest you can rename the new company file, for example, add V22 or save the new data file in different location. Wait till upgrade is finished and do not disturb it. The time required for the upgrade will depend on your server speed and your file size. If things go smooth, you shall see the congratulations message pops up. Close the upgrade assistance now. You need to repeat the above same steps for each company file. Please note that if you have customized form, for example, tailor-made invoice or purchase order, you need to move all the customized forms to the new forms folder. Each computer will have an ABSS program folder if MYOB installed. For example, you can see an ABSS program folder in Windows C, ABSS Premier Plus version 22, and there is a Forms folder. You have to move all the forms from old version folder, Premier Plus version 13, copy the Forms folder, and paste them to new form folder. As let's replace the files in the destination. Repeat the steps above if you have more than one workstation using MYOB. Now, try opening the upgrade company file using new MYOB program. Old version MYOB program can be retained for some time. If everything goes smooth, you can uninstall it. Thank you for watching.